Beautiful two-story Gulf-access townhouse located in Palm Grove Condos. Centrally located in southeast Cape Coral, offering 2 large bedrooms, both with full ensuite bathrooms, half bath on first floor, full laundry located in the 1-car attached garage, plus 2 lanais overlooking the canal. Spacious, open concept living floor plan is perfect for entertaining. Updated kitchen with granite counters, glass tiled backsplash, newer stainless steel appliances, wood cabinetry, pantry and breakfast bar for multiple barstools with open views from the peninsula to the living room and canal. The first floor lanai is steps away from the pool, and offers spacious seating area, outdoor refrigerator and dry bar for extra storage and food prep. Both lanais offer manual hurricane coverage for added protection. Enjoy the breeze and stunning sunsets from your lanais overlooking boat docks and canal. This condo affords you the Florida lifestyle you've been looking for. Easy access to Fort Myers and the beaches, airports and schools. Waterfront living at its best while located just minutes away from all the dining and shopping Cape Coral has to offer, with almost a straight shot to the river by boat with one bridge.